Tired of constant pet hair all over your floors, furniture, and carpets? Keeping a clean home with shedding pups isn't easy. Best Vacuum for Shedding Dogs is the solution every pet parent needs to maintain a fur-free space effortlessly. Designed for powerful suction, tangle-free brushes, and efficient hair pickup, these vacuums make cleaning faster and stress-free, even during heavy shedding seasons. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Oneisall Vacuum for Shedding Dogs. The Oneisall Vacuum for Shedding Dogs is an ideal solution for pet parents who want professional-style grooming at home without dealing with hairy messes afterward. Its standout feature is the ability to perform grooming and vacuuming simultaneously, collecting up to 99% of loose fur directly into the built-in vacuum container. As soon as the hair is trimmed or brushed off, it gets sucked into the dust box, keeping floors, couches, and carpets completely clean, making this kit especially helpful during heavy shedding seasons. The 7-in-1 grooming set is thoughtfully designed with versatility and convenience. It includes an electric clipper, nail grinder, paw trimmer, grooming brush, deshedding tool, and additional cleaning attachments, meaning it works not only for coat trimming, but also for paw care and nail maintenance. The clippers and grinder can even be used cordless and independently from a vacuum, giving you flexibility to groom your dog outside or in any room. Another major advantage is the low noise technology, operating at just 59 dB to help anxious dogs feel safe. With 3 adjustable suction levels, you can tailor grooming intensity based on your dog's comfort. The spacious 1.5L dust bin holds significantly more hair than many alternatives, reducing the need for repeated emptying. After grooming, storage is also simplified with included storage board and bag. Overall, the Oneisall Grooming Vacuum offers convenience, comfort, and cleanliness in one complete kit, an excellent investment for dog owners who want to eliminate shedding chaos while giving their pets a smooth and polished coat right at home. Number 2. AIRROBO Vacuum for Shedding Dogs. The AIRROBO Vacuum for Shedding Dogs is built for pet owners who prefer powerful suction and smooth grooming performance without the stress of flying fur. Featuring an impressive 12,000 Pascal suction, this grooming vacuum efficiently collects up to 99% of pet hair in real time, preventing fur from scattering across your home. Whether your dog has a naturally heavy coat or seasonal shedding peaks, this grooming kit handles hair pickup effortlessly while keeping furniture, carpets, and clothing spotless. The low-noise operating system is another thoughtful feature, with noise levels below 50 dB on the lowest setting, ideal for dogs that are easily startled by grooming machines. With 3 adjustable suction levels, users can choose the right airflow strength depending on their dog's size, sensitivity, and coat type. Also included are 6 guide comb attachments ranging from 3 mm to 24 mm, enabling precision grooming tailored to different lengths and styles. The kit is suitable for long-haired and short-haired breeds alike, giving pet owners the flexibility to achieve the exact look they want without trips to the groomer. The large-capacity dust cup means uninterrupted grooming sessions even with large dogs, and the quick-release button makes emptying mess-free and fast. Number 3. Neakasa Vacuum for Shedding Dogs. The Neakasa Vacuum for Shedding Dogs is a professional-grade grooming kit designed for pet owners who prioritize coat health, household cleanliness, and stress-free grooming experiences. This all-in-one solution includes 5 essential tools: a grooming brush, a rake brush, an electric clipper, a nozzle head, and a cleaning brush. The grooming and rake brushes are especially effective for promoting a sleek, smooth, and healthy topcoat while gently removing mats and loose undercoat hair. Unlike traditional grooming tools that leave fur scattered everywhere, the Neakasa vacuum system collects an impressive 99% of pet hair directly into its container while brushing and trimming, preventing messy buildup on the floor, furniture, or clothing. The adjustable trimming combs, available in 3 mm, 6 mm, 12 mm, 18 mm, and 24 mm, make it easy to cut hair to the desired length, whether your pet needs a full trim or simple coat maintenance. The detachable guides switch out quickly for effortless styling transitions. Another valuable feature is the low-noise operation, engineered to keep pets comfortable and relaxed throughout grooming sessions. For extra peace of mind, owners can reduce anxiety further by brushing first and rewarding with treats before switching on the vacuum. This thoughtful design shows that the Neakasa brand understands both pet and pet parent needs. Whether you're brushing loose fur daily or giving a full haircut at home, this grooming kit turns a once stressful, messy task into something efficient, fun, and enjoyable. It enhances coat health while significantly reducing shedding in the home, making it a reliable and cost-saving grooming upgrade. Number 4. Buenkee Vacuum for Shedding Dogs. The buenkee vacuum for shedding dogs is engineered for families who want an efficient, mess-free grooming routine while keeping pets relaxed and happy. This system seamlessly integrates high-quality clippers with strong vacuum suction, instantly collecting loose fur into its spacious 2L dust bin while trimming. For those tired of sweeping after every grooming session, this feature removes frustration completely and transforms coat maintenance into a clean and pleasant experience. The grooming device prioritizes comfort through its ultra-quiet motor and 3 adjustable suction levels, helping nervous dogs stay calm during sessions. Whether you're trimming a full coat, smoothing out rough patches, or simply reducing seasonal shedding, the buenkee kit adapts to your grooming pace and style. Equipped with multiple guard combs and grooming accessories, including a deshedding tool and cleaning attachments, it provides professional-level control over coat shape and texture. The grooming kit operates exclusively with vacuum suction, which guarantees nearly zero leftover fur on clothing, furniture, or the floor. In addition to grooming performance, Buenkee's storage system is thoughtfully designed to support modern compact living. The entire set fits neatly into the included storage bag, eliminating clutter and keeping tools organized. The oversized dust bin also allows long, uninterrupted grooming sessions, reducing cleanup time to a minimum. With its smart balance of quiet comfort, grooming precision, strong vacuum integration, and compact storage, the Buenkee vacuum is excellent for dog owners who want a tidy home and a polished pet without scheduling groomer appointments. Number 5. FIXR Vacuum for Shedding Dogs. The FIXR vacuum for shedding dogs is a comprehensive grooming machine created for households battling persistent dog hair on floors, fabrics, and carpets. Featuring robust 11,000 Pascal suction power, this system collects 99% of loose fur during brushing and trimming, delivering a cleaner home with minimal effort. The included 2.5L container is one of the largest available, allowing multiple full coat sessions before requiring emptying, an especially valuable feature for multi-pet homes and large breeds. The 1.4-meter detachable extended hose keeps pets comfortably distanced from the motor, reducing anxiety, and allowing owners to groom from various angles without restriction. 4 trimming guide combs, 3mm, 9mm, 16mm, and 24mm, provide grooming flexibility for both long and short-hair dogs, whether for shaping the coat or basic maintenance. The low-noise operation combined with 3 suction levels creates a soothing environment for sensitive pets. For best results, brushing with the grooming attachment before clipping allows pets to acclimate gradually and produces a smoother coat finish. The electric clipper includes an independent power switch for convenient use, and the nozzle and brush attachment works efficiently on furniture, carpets, and hard floors to eliminate lingering fur after grooming. With the FIXR grooming vacuum, pet owners not only save time and money, but can also maintain a hair-free home consistently year-round. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.